morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you a rain chain on a trellis and in a bucket. I was going to put it in the gutter, but I decided to put it in the greenhouse. And as you can see, the water's dripping down the chain. Moving her down. The bottom, you see the bucket. I don't have any rocks in the bucket right now. And I also have holes in the bottom of the bucket, so I can flow out. I usually adjust the bottle how fast I want the flow of water to come off the bottle. This is good for me right now. I decided not to put it in the gutter, but to have it in the greenhouse so I could actually just look at it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. And have a great day.